Go ahead, boy.
So what we about to do is, y'all see, hold on, let me let it down. Y'all see what's going on, man? God damn. So what we about to do now is we're gonna get the little Durk braids, right? So it's like double twists, but it's like extra. So it's not just double twisting your hair. Y'all know how I've been telling y'all to double twist your hair for longer growth, right? So today, what it looked like to me is triple, so like 3 of them together. But I'm not gonna be doing it. So y'all stay tuned, learn how to do it. I might go over and look the video over and learn how to do it myself. But drop that like, comment below what else y'all want in y'all hair. You feel me? Let me know. Hey, y'all see my twins? You took a nap today, huh?
Hmm? You said, did I take a nap?
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out why I'm so hyped.
Yeah.
No, I'm taking one.
No, I'm gonna take the sound out. So I'm gonna take the sound out. What happened?
No, I thought you wanted me to give a tutorial of how I was doing it.
Yeah.
I think they could see.
Okay.
Or you could do a voice over or something.
Yeah. So far, we about to do the last one. Quick reminder though, let me tell y'all. So when you doing like your styles, whatever, if you doing braids, double twists, whatever the case may be, especially if your hair is short, you want to put rubber bands at the end to hold it in, to hold the style in. Same thing like when I tell y'all, leave your style in for like 2 weeks to hold your retwist so it don't mess up your retwist. Same thing with the rubber bands. So yeah. Hey, we back to life, man. Okay, so once it's done, but hey, it looks similar. It look a lot similar. Y'all see that? We got, right? That's it. All right, so low key look like YNW Melly, but anyways, once it's braided in, it's gonna be sticking out. Like you see how it's sticking out like this. Don't panic. You just put your do-rag on. See, once they held down, sleep like this. Listen though, don't do the do-rag every night, because what the do-rag does, it mat your hair down. So it creates in the long run, it creates a bald spot. So you don't want to use it every night, but use it like every other night. So once you wake up in the morning, if it's not already off, mine's be already off, you take it off, it should be like, you know, regular. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little 360 view, and remember to like this video, smash that like, man, share the video. I told y'all, without y'all, I can't keep doing these videos. So share the video.